All right, hey guys. So I am going to be gone now on Thursday and Friday. So I have to get a sub. Actually, I don't have to get a sub. There's no subs for virtual school. So what I'm doing is kind of recording videos for my classes so you know what to do. What I want you to do with our class time on Thursday is to log into Yearbook Avenue. And yours is going to look just a little bit different than what mine looks like. But when you get up to the top here, I want you to click on Digital Classroom. And when you get to Digital Classroom, you'll scroll all the way down to the Grow Your Know and click on Layout Pro. This is a new year for Layout Pro. They used to have something called Page Designer. And so they have a lot of kind of tutorials out right now to help people get started on this because they know that it's new. Yours, I think, will have a few different options down here, but what I want you to do is the Layout Pro Basics. And there's several different videos here that you can link to. For sure, do the overview, and then whatever else looks interesting to you, or that honestly they would all help you, and I think they're pretty short. I haven't looked at all of them. I've just looked at a couple of them, but they were all like under 2 minutes or so. Yeah, this one's 2:48. So you should be able to watch all of these, get a nice overview of how to use the basic tools, and then I want you to go ahead and um, start working on those pages for that This Is Me spread. And again, yeah, watch what's helpful to you. I know that the probably the easiest thing is just to play with it and figure it out from there. But go with that. If you see, like if yours doesn't have all of these options in it, because I'm not completely sure what the student view side of all of this is, I know that they have these on YouTube, or at least they have a lot of them on YouTube also. And you should be able to, if you do a search on YouTube under what you see here, that should work for you also. Otherwise, I just did a real simple search and I found some other ones. Like here's one from a summer workshop that actually I attended. And this is actually more designed for the staff, but it still gives kind of a nice overview of what you can do. And so there's some nice things on YouTube also if you just use a little bit of problem solving. But hopefully this helps. Sorry I can't be there, but we'll jump back in on Monday and hopefully it's all good. Go ahead and email me. I will be in and out of my email probably this weekend as I'm kind of recovering from stuff, but I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Thanks for everything and good luck with all this. Have fun playing.